Mr. etc. once again back to you for another idea of housing throughout recycling. And here we are again for this time of the year, Christmas time. And as always, we are getting creative and of course, sustainably creative. And right here at the Upcycle Centrum, we are turning old wood into something new, beautiful and perfect for these holidays. And as you all know me, it's always about one-of-a-kind gift that I'm showing you how to easily create in your home. And you know what the best part is? The fact that we are creating beautiful things using recycled material. So we can celebrate Christmas and recycle at the same time, creating beautiful stuff. And on our side, as you may have seen it, we are now offering several wooden items in our online web shop. So they all will be available all along this season via our story section. Feel free to take a look and let us know what you think. If you are interested about anything, if you have some ideas as well, feel free to contact us. So for this holiday season, let's craft, let's recycle, let's celebrate together. And if you are new to our community, feel free to subscribe just right here. Then click on the bell to receive a notification every time we are sharing new content. Then I will see you next time.